The genes. The basic units of inheritance or heredity are called genes. These are composed of nucleotide sequence of short specific segments of DNA, which transcribes an mRNA. The mRNA encodes the sequence of amino acids of a particular polypeptide. Earlier, many names were used for the genes by different scientists such as gemmules by Charles Darwin, elementons by Gregor Mendel, factors by Correns, penguin by Dewey. The present name gene was introduced by Wilhelm Jonasson in 1909, while the term genetics was first used by Wilhelm Bateson in 1906. The particular place or location where genes reside or present is called the gene locus.